Hey, welcome D-Lab everyone. Are you ready for another tech tip? How about adding a mid-range boost to the rear of your Fender Deluxe? Let's go. Okay, here's what you're going to need in preparation to install the mid-range boost into your Fender Deluxe. It's a B25K pot. I have a 4.7K resistor and approximately a foot of RG174 coax. Next, you want to pick your location. In this case, the ground switch has been removed from this amplifier and is bypassed because this amp has a grounded power cord installed. So that is where we're going to put the mid-boost pot. Okay. To mount the pot, you need to make a little spacer washer. You see that guy right there? I just took a washer, I drilled it out. It goes in to that 1/2 inch hole and reduces it to the shaft of the pot. Alright, third, on the back of your bass pot, in this case it's the vibrato channel, there is a 6.8K resistor that goes to ground. You're going to remove that and connect the RG174 coax in its place. Hot goes here and common goes to the case of the pot. So I've got the RG174 coax connected to the rear of the bass pot. The 6.8K resistor is removed. The other side of that coax is going to come over here and go to the back side of the 25K pot. Okay. So first you have to install the little 4.7K resistor. He's going to go from the low side of the pot to chassis. Center terminal now will go to this end of the RG174 coax. We are not using the ground on this side. So installation of the rear panel mid-range boost control is complete. You see my little 4.7K resistor soldered to ground, center of the RG174 going up to the rear of the bass pot. I'm going to throw a meter on this so you guys can see what that pot does. Okay, I popped on the knob here for demonstration purposes. My meter is connected to the rear of the bass pot, and this is where the normal 6.8K resistor would be, which is what Fender put in to set the mid-range point. Okay, now you have completely variable mid-range. So it starts out at the 4.7K, that's at the low end of the pot, and I can advance right back up to the 6.8K that was originally there if I want to. Or now I have a lot of adjustment on this pot. There's 12K, 17K, all the way up to 30K ohms. Okay, a lot of the guys that I've installed this for said there's a sweet spot at around 1 o'clock position. So that'd be about 20 to 21K. So what I'm going to do is get somebody in here. We'll do a demonstration and you'll be able to hear live what this mid-range pot does.
Just turn the reverb back to 3.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Turn the bass back to just below 5.
Can I say something real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tony's here to shake down the 64 Deluxe.
We're on!
Yeah! I just recapped it, but what we're going to show here is the effect of the new mid-boost control. Right, Toe?
Yes, this is Terry's design of a mid-boost. I mean, mid-boost has been around for years and years, but this is Terry's take on it. It's really great. It's quite a bit of boost, and it also cuts. You can almost use it as a master volume by cutting it all the way back. Cut it all the way back.
All right, here we go.
That's like on 0. Halfway is a pretty decent boost.
Okay.
That's where I like it. I like it about 1 o'clock. It's just a nice, gives you a lot of extra ring.
And this amp still has the original tubes, man, the old RCAs, and they're weak, and this sounds that good.
This amp sounds incredible.